now she's following you, huh? Huh? Now you're following me, hey? Oh, beautiful cat. Let me introduce you to everyone. Beautiful cat. Hmm? So, new addition to my family. I found her here outside in my garden. She was actually like on that roof pot over there. So I kind of like tempted her down with tuna fish. You know, I fed her. And then of course she got attached to me. And then I've always wanted a cat. It's like such a nice way to start 2020, you know, with a beautiful cat and a kitten. So of course it's gonna grow with you. Do you know what I mean? So it's like someone to care for because I live here by myself. So someone to care for. Hey. So I really haven't got a name for her yet because I'm waiting basically for my Instagram supporters to help me. But it's either going to be Tina, which stands for This is New Africa, since I made the move to Africa, or it's going to be, someone said Nim'o. There was a lot of options for Nim'o, and then there was another one. Um, what was the other one? Wakanda. You know. So I'm liking the Wakanda as well. Do you know what I mean? Because then, like, whenever I say her name, everyone will be like, I'll be like Wakanda, and everyone's gonna be like forever. So that'll be pretty cool. So I'm not sure yet, but yeah, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well. All right, okay. I know I'm gonna give her a wash. I'm gonna try to give her a wash, and I'm gonna change her cat litter. Um, Luckily for me, Somaliland's full of sand and dust and everything, so I can just step out to my house and just collect some sand because they don't exactly sell cat litter in this country because no one really has pets in this country unless it's like from the street, but that's very rare. Anyway, let's go get some sand, and I'm gonna put in this. I'm gonna get your toilet ready, okay? I need to clean it.
A few moments later.
So yeah, this is the cat litter I made for her. I literally just got it from outside my house and I picked up all the rocks and stuff. And I'm cleaning it as much as I can for her. I have to find, I might have to buy some like clean sand, or I don't know, I have to figure it out. Hey, this is not a place to play with. It's the toilet, mate. It's your toilet. Get out. Get out. Good. So yeah, just cleaning it as much. I think it's good enough. Like, I'm sure they can take toilets on a little bit of rocks and stuff. You know, it's like going in the nature. Alright, time to put it in the house. Let me show you her setup that I've got her. I currently just got her in my toilet, only for 2 days, until I find some a proper home. But I got her bed over there, water over here. Today I served her milk, but the past 2 days it's been tuna. But I don't want it to get, you know, don't want it to get addicted to tuna or like spoiled basically. I don't want to spoil her too much. And that's her cat litter right there. Hey? Enjoying the milk, yeah? Enjoying the milk. Okay, good. She's enjoying the milk. Now I'm gonna try to give her a wash. Let's go. Wash time. Tina, trying to lure her in. Come on. Yep. Alright, you're in. Okay, so let's try. I'm going to try to give her a bath. Some of you might say no, some of you might say yes. But, of course, she's a street cat. And, yeah, so I don't know what she has. I'm going to take her to the vets, but we don't exactly have vets in this country, especially for cats. We only have vets that serve like sheep, camels, goats, livestock basically, not pets. So I'm going to try my best. I'm going to put the camera down and let's see what happens. Let's go. Tina. Okay, bismillah. Tina. She's liking it, actually. Yeah, she's liking it. So far, so good. Yay! This is my first time ever washing a cat. Give you a good Hey Tina. Okay. Dry you up nice. I don't know why you still kind of smell. I'll have to get you the shampoo from Abu Dhabi when I come back from UAE, because they don't sell flea shampoos and things like that here. Come on, last bit. I need to get under your belly. I need to get your belly. Get in my belly. Get in my belly.
Get in my belly! Come on!
You're done. You're nearly done. You're nice. And you are Safini. That's the second time actually I gave her a wash. Just in case, she wasn't clean. I tried a different product. They don't exactly sell like animal stuff here, pet, like flea stuff or flea shampoo, cat shampoo, dog shampoo, anything, toys. They don't do pets here in this country. Yeah, that was just a quick video about my cat, basically. There's not many pets here, unfortunately. I really wish they had like a more pet culture. It's like I live by myself, so it would be really nice to have stuff for you to play with, hey? But we don't in this country, but I'm trying my best. Inshallah, I'm going to Australia. I'm off to Australia around probably the 6th or 5th of February, Melbourne, if you're there. Shout out to Melbourne. Giving a talk, Somali Professional Network, so they invited me to give a talk. So when I'm in Dubai visiting my sister, I'll hopefully get some stuff for her. But yeah, until then, see you when I see you. Peace. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Yeah, basically my content's all about Somaliland. Hope you enjoy it. Peace, blessing. Ski ski.